Commendation in the occasion of our 79th Independence Day.
Hojik, ako'y kaikom na zalipa. District Executive Deputy Commissioner Royal Levy pa.
Lagi na po po. General Salon ito pila na kaikom ba? Kaya ni. Ito pito na kaikom ba? Ano na si?
Sana jauh ba?
The Chief Guest of 79th Independence Day celebration, Sri Krishna Kumar IAS, DC Jiribam, has arrived. A hearty welcome and warm greetings to you, sir.
Independence Day. Thank you, sir. उन्यासी स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड को निरीक्षण करने का अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
The respected chief guests along with the superintendent of police and the parade commander will now inspect the parade. We are deeply honored to welcome Sri Krishna Kumar IAS, our esteemed Deputy Commissioner and the distinguished India. He has served as Mission Director of the Manipur Society of Manipur, as Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur and Ukrul, as Joint Secretary Planning, Health, TA and Hills. Throughout his illustrious management of COVID pandemics, Honorable Chief Minister's Certificate of Appreciation during Marketing and Development Research Associates Survey for State of the State Government of Manipur for the remarkable work undertaken by the District Administration of Jiribam in the successful computerization and digitization of land records of Jiribam District.
मैं पुनः नेशनल एंथम अमदी की राष्ट्रीय तिरंगा से वो क्या कहना बहुत पहले लेखन में नसी
Contingent approaching towards the saluting base is the 87 Battalion CRPF, led by Platoon Commander Inspector Arun Kumar. Every step they take reflects their courage, commitment and unwavering service to the nation.
Matanda Laliba contingent asi 7th India Reserve Battalion, Commander Jamanda Ma'am Roshan. Matanda Laliba contingent asi na Civil Police Jiribam, Commander ASI Saikom Suresh Singh.
And the next contingent.
Matanda Laliba contingent asi na Zuri College Boys contingent asibu Command Tobiba Y Karnajit. Matanda Laliba contingent asida Zuri College Girls contingent asibu Command Tobiribi Oina Kuman Nanbi Channel.
Their disciplined march is a symbol of dedication and pride. The next contingent approaching towards the saluting base is the Jiribam Higher Secondary School Boys Contingent under the leadership of M. Mangal Singh. Their steps echoes the dream and determination of our young generation.
Matanda Laliba contingent asina RK Sanathambi Vidyalaya Girls contingent ni contingent asibu Command Tobiribi Loitongbam Langlen. Matanda Muk Laliba contingent asina RK Sanathambi Vidyalaya Girls contingent Laliba contingent asibu Command Tobiriba Wahidul Rahman.